Indian entertainment is trash. Well, yeah. If you are a die-hard fan of Indian entertainment, you are probably not gonna like this, cause criticism is not something we Indians can digest easily. But if you are open to change and think a little bit wisely, you're gonna like this. We hope you watch the video first without jumping to conclusions. Now, in this video we are not going to compare some below average Bollywood movies with some of the masterpieces of Hollywood. That would be pointless. We are going to explain the problems and the real potential of the Indian entertainment industry. So, just sit back and let us cover up a whole bunch of stuff. So, let's talk about the problems which has made Bollywood a disappointment. The major problem with Bollywood is their mediocre actors and scripts. Actors such as Varun Dhawan and Tiger Shroff, who has negligible acting skills and has made horrible movies such as Main Tera Hero, Flying Jet, Judwaa 2, Student of the Year 2, and etc., have achieved immense fame through Bollywood. The reason why these actors are able to easily secure their position is through Godfathers, which in our opinion is the biggest problem in Bollywood. Another problem in the Bollywood industry is the obsession with love. Yes, every movie must include a love story. A hero can achieve anything in the film, such as infiltrating the mafia, not because he is well versed in strategy and politics, but because of the overwhelming power of love. Even action thriller movies has some kind of love sequence. It's seriously annoying in some of the movies. The irritating thing about Bollywood movies are the songs. The Bollywood culture of putting songs in the middle of the movie is the worst. The hero and the heroine starts dancing and singing out of nowhere in the middle of a scene, which makes no sense and does not contribute to the plot progression at all. Now the last point, but not the least, is plagiarism in Bollywood. Yes, plagiarism. Copying something like songs, posters, and even the plot from other movies or shows and advertising it as their own idea. Are the producers in Bollywood that lazy that they can't even make an original song or script? Let us show you some examples. Sarkar was released in 2005, which is copied from one of the best rated Hollywood movie, The Godfather. Bang Bang was another famous film which was copied from a Hollywood movie, Night and Day. These plagiarized movies are sold off as remakes. They also steal the poster designs from other movies and even from games. At least have an original poster ideas. Now, all of this does not mean the Bollywood industry is unoriginal and lazy. Well, most of it is. We also have produced some of the exceptional movies that can stand on its own even against Hollywood chart breakers, such as Three Idiots, Paan Singh Tomar, Dangal and Madari. These movies are examples from which we can conclude Bollywood can produce great movies. But then what is the problem? The problem is that we have trash taste. It's not like in a country of 1.3 billion people, there isn't a single soul that can produce good movies. We have a lot of passionate writers that have the ability to create a masterpiece. It's just the good Bollywood movies and script writers are not acknowledged by the audience itself. Bollywood makes this type of movies because they sell. If you have watched Section 375, you know that it was an amazing movie, but it made about 22 crores in box office, while Kalank, which was released in the same year, made 146 crore. This goes to show that we Indians don't watch movies because it is good. We watch it because it has more popular cast. People have started idealizing actors and actresses to an extent that they can't even acknowledge any criticism towards their movies. One of the biggest example is Salman Khan fan base. Bodyguard, which was not that good of a movie, still made great cash at the box office because of Salman Khan fanatics. But this does not mean that Salman Khan can't act in a good movie. Bajrangi Bhaijaan was an amazing movie. Some movies that are great gets bad reputation for being offensive. Padmavat got hated because people thought it disrespected the rich Indian history. My God, which was a fantastic movie, got hated just because it questioned certain superstitious beliefs. People of India get offended very easily and can't take anything which contrasts their belief. We are not concluding that you should only watch Hollywood movies because Bollywood is crap. We also love our country and our country is competing internationally in every aspect. But why is Bollywood getting such a bad reputation in the film world? We are constantly producing movies with such a low critics rating. We need a change and actually question the filmmakers so that we can compete with Hollywood. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and your feedback is appreciated.